Hello everyone, welcome back to Mandalas by Vani YouTube channel. Why do some mandalas look perfectly balanced while others feel slightly off? It's because it all comes down to how accurately you find the center. Today, let me show you the easiest way to find the center for your mandala. Let's get started. Today, I'm going to use this 10-inch MDF board. There are many ways to find the center of the MDF board. I'm going to use the paper cutting method. Step 1. Make the paper template. For that, you need to have a sheet of paper that is larger than your board. So I'm going to use this paper. As you can see, that is larger than my 10-inch MDF board. And then I'm going to use my pencil to trace this board. Place the MDF board on the sheet of paper that is larger than the board. As you can see, this is my 10-inch board and I have the paper which is larger than my MDF board. So now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to trace around the edges, then cut the paper so it matches the board exactly. You can use pencil or pen. I'm using my pen. So now that I have traced around the edges, I am going to cut the paper so it matches the board exactly. So I am done cutting the paper. Step 2 is fold to create creases. Fold the paper cutout in half. Crease it. Then fold it in half the other direction. When you open it, you will see two creases crossing each other. Where the creases intersect is the exact center. I'm going to use my Sharpie and then just mark the center. Okay. Now, with the help of the scissors, I'm going to snip a tiny hole at the intersection. Step 4. Transfer the center to the board. Lay the paper cutout back onto your MDF board, lining up the edges carefully. I'm going to use a pencil. In this case, I am using white charcoal pencil. You can even use watercolor pencil. Use a pencil to mark through the little hole. That dot is your perfect center. Step 5 is reinforce the dot. Make the dot clear and crisp. If you'll be using a compass later, you can gently press the tip to create a small guide intent. To double check, I am going to place my compass point on my marked center. And then when I try to open my compass and see, it should all match at the same point. As you can see, it is touching at the circumference of my board. So which means it is correct. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video helps you to find the center of the MDF board. If you have any other questions, please comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you.